Hello everyone. We are dumpster diving again, and I wanted to show you what is in the trash here on a Saturday night. There's lots of the yogurt was here this morning. I already got a few things out of here. My phone keeps cutting out, so I don't know how many videos I have to piece together. Wait a second. See, it's doing it again. Okay. Anyway, so that's what's in this dumpster. And then over here we have, I don't know, it just looks like a bunch of different stuff. This is deli stuff here. I don't know. Let's see. That's full of stuff. I don't know what it is. It's just fruit and things, looks like. Just like... sandwich. So, yeah, there's a lot of stuff in here, but it's been a hot day, so I'm not really going to take a lot of that. But I do have some of this, and I've been needing butter, so looks like I got some butter, and that's good. It's kind of busy out here today, so I'm just going to grab and go, and then I'll show you when we get home. We're actually heading for the beach, not the beach, the dog park right now. So I'll show you all when we get home what we got, and I'll tell you about our last couple days. Okay, see you soon. Okay, so we're at the dog park, and this is the small dog park where all the smaller dogs go. And we just got done with our dumpster diving. Went this morning earlier. And there wasn't anything but yogurt, which had been there all night, so I didn't take it. But we got a few things today. I'm interested in looking at that butter because butter's expensive. I did need some. I wanted to let you guys know what was going on the last couple of days. Took Charlie to the vet on Thursday, and they found that she had some things wrong with her that were pretty life-threatening, and she'd been sick for a while, so mostly all I showed you was her really good days. So, yeah, we had to put Charlie down yesterday, and it's really sad. So I'm trying to get Max out of the house. He's pretty depressed about it too, but yeah. So she was 20, so 19 or 20 in between the two, so it was really hard, and so that's why I haven't made any videos. I get back into it. I lost a dear friend. Actually, it was Thursday I lost my girlfriend that for years. She had been fighting cancer for a couple years, and she died on Thursday, and Friday is when I took Charlie in, so today's Saturday. So yeah, it's been really hard. A couple of days, and anyway, we'll get through it. That's life, I guess. So I'm just gonna keep Max busy, and we have the 3 cats at home still, so he'll be okay. This is an interesting little dog park here, but Charlie will be missed, and my friend Lisa will be missed. So say a prayer for them, and thank you for watching, and I'll show you what we, look at these dogs here. I'll show you what we got when I get home. Okay, much love. Take care, sweeties. I'll see you soon. Look at that, Max. Go get him, Max. Go say hi. This is the best time to come here in the evening. When everybody brings their pets. Max, he's having fun. As long as I keep getting him out and having him socialize, he'll be okay. Uh-oh. This one, yeah.
What is a Cocker Spaniel?
He's a Cocker Spaniel Shih Tzu.
Oh, that's what they said.
Yeah?
Here's a Shih Tzu. I don't.
A lot of dogs tonight. It's winter down here, so yeah, we got a lot of snowbirds. They bring their dogs. There are a lot of people from up north that just come down here and stay for the winter. I'm hoping someday I'll be able to do that. But yeah. Is that Max over there? That's not Max. Where's Max? There's Max. Uh-oh. Okay, I wanted to show you all what we got out of the dumpster today. An eggplant. Let me turn this other light on. So, we got an eggplant, 2 potatoes, a cucumber. It doesn't feel like it's soft in anywhere. Training pants. Looks like the package just got damaged a little bit. 2T to 3T to 34 pounds, 26 training pants. There's nothing wrong with it other than the package was a little dirty. So I'll probably just clean that up and donate it. Because I don't have little ones, obviously. There's some grapes and fruit tray. And then this vegetable cheese tray. And everything really looks pretty good in that. There's no best used by. There's no... Oh, it looks like I'm zoomed in. There's, let's see. There's no expiration date on it, so maybe they know when to throw it away. But we have these tomatoes. They look pretty good. I'll wash those. And then one of the packages was damaged. This has a little bit of damage too. And I'm guessing that's why they threw this butter away. But look at this. It says real challenge, real difference. Salted challenge butter. Made with milk from cows not treated with BST. Coupon inside. So it says it's real butter. Grade A butter. So I got 4 packages, or 4 sticks of butter here. Which was on my list at the grocery store to get some butter. So I'm really happy about that. And I just wanted you to see what I got today from the dumpster. And thank you all for watching. Thank you for your support.